Hi, my name is Dr. William Doran. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with TidalHealth Orthopedics. So I've been asked different times, why would someone need a hip replacement? Sometimes it's for arthritis that develops over time. It could be post-traumatic arthritis. You have an injury that develops and causes significant pain for an individual. If you have an acute fracture, we're able to get people back on their feet very quickly after their fracture within hours to days, and they're able to make a quick recovery. I've also been asked in the past, what's the difference between a posterior or a lateral approach versus an anterior hip approach? The anterior is what I specialized in for the last 10 years. It decreases the pain that a patient will feel afterwards. One of the main reasons for that is instead of cutting the muscles to get into the hip capsule, we're able to do a very technical weave through the muscles, but it allows for a faster recovery. The Mako is a robotic-assisted surgical tool that allows incredible precision within 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters. We're able to, with a CAT scan that we obtain prior to surgery, obtain appropriate alignment for the implants, and then those implants at the time of implantation are exactly where we templated it. You literally type in basically a coordinates, and when you implant it, it's in the exact position. This allows for decreased chances of dislocation, as inappropriate alignment can lead toward a dislocation. The anterior approach is less invasive and it can help with a quicker recovery. We have our patients up within 4 hours of surgery. They're walking with the assistance of a walker, but it's not uncommon within 2 weeks that they've removed the walker out of the equation. We always try to use surgery as our last option. But with that being said, the quality of life diminishes an individual when arthritis or post-traumatic arthritis or a fracture, heaven forbid. And those can be great times to discuss a hip replacement. If you have any questions whether or not a hip replacement surgery would be beneficial for you, feel free to call our office. We see patients throughout the Delmarva Peninsula, and we'd be happy to see you and your family.